Introducing the stylish and reliable 2019 Volkswagen Golf Golf with only 7,582 kilometres on the clock. This sleek black beauty comes with a powerful 1.4 litre engine, registered new in 2019. Enjoy a comfortable ride with features like air conditioning, cruise control and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Plus, rest easy knowing this vehicle has a full service history and repair history available. For added peace of mind, this Golf has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with an extended warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us now or visit windsor.ie for more information. Upgrade your driving experience with this top-of-the-line Volkswagen Golf Golf today.